we had a mother reach out to us. She scheduled an appointment for a test ride for her 12-year-old daughter.
Hi, I'm Kim Heinrich, and I'm the mother of a child who has spinal muscular atrophy. We were actively searching for a way to include her in our family adventures and bike rides, and as Allison was getting older and more debilitated, she was less and less being involved with things within our family.
Her daughter suffers from a rare disease called SMA, which is spinal muscular atrophy.
She's pedaling to work out the contractures in her knees. She's stimulating muscle. She's keeping the motor neuron active and alive, and then the treatment that she's getting now really is preventing the future loss of motor neurons. She's working on a reserved small portion because she had 9 years of disease progression before she had treatment. So she's lost a lot. You can't get those back. You don't make new ones.
The two of them drove 3.5 hours up from Maryland to Philadelphia. They came up here for a test ride, and her daughter hopped on a Liberty Trike, and it was an amazing experience for all of us.
She's riding that bicycle around the shop with the most wonderful look of joy on her face.
On the spot, I decided that this was her trike. She wasn't going to pay for it. We were going to give it to her.
And the text back to me was, "Tell me your address. I've already decided. I'm sending the trike. It's yours. And, I'm not charging you."
So in 2020, we found 9 additional children with SMA, and now they all have Liberty Trikes. And it has changed their lives, and it has changed their entire families can go out and ride together now.
She loves it. She's 12, and she's like every other 12-year-old now. She doesn't have a mother trailing behind her making sure she's okay.
In 2021, we've made a commitment to donate double that number. So 20 Liberty Trikes in 2021 and 20 more families that are going to be able to ride together. And as we grow as a company, we plan to do even more. We think it's very important to give back, and as we grow, we're going to take care of as many of these children as we can, and we're really looking forward to that.
It's more than an object. It's quality of life, and you cannot put a price tag on that.